Welcome back, everybody. I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia, East Lake Golf Club in conjunction with the PGA Tour. It's the YouTube Creators Classic, and today I've got a new one, Creamy Tortellini. That's right, we have YouTube sports stars everywhere, including Dude Perfect. Oh yeah, let's make it. In case you didn't know, Blackstone is the official griddle of the PGA Tour. That's right, from coast to coast, Blackstone is sizzling on the green, baby. It's so much fun. We have a lot of content creators here today. The famous Paige Spraddick, Tyler Tony from Dude Perfect is in the house. Everybody, it is so much fun. We're playing golf, we're having a good time with Blackstone griddles. They need to start playing golf, and I need to start making Toddelini. Let's do it. Gonna fire up my Blackstone griddle, a little bit of avocado oil, olive oil, whatever you want, down with the Italian sausage. You have to have good Italian sausage. Has all the necessary herbs, including fennel. Fennel, most important. We're gonna cook that sausage, take a few minutes. It's pork, wanna make sure it's cooked correctly. A little bit of oil, down with the pre-cooked tortellini. You can get this with a variety of cheeses. They even sell a version with spinach. Since it's pre-cooked, we're gonna take advantage of the sausage grease. Gonna mix the meat straight up with the pasta. It's gonna speed up the cooking process. As soon as I see the pasta starting to look good, I can see the color coming out. It's not just plain and yellow anymore. We're gonna come over here and grab some sun-dried tomatoes, roasted red bell pepper, a lot of different options when you're doing pasta on the griddle. Tomato paste. This is gonna help with our creamy sauce. And you know, when it comes to the creamy sauce, for me, it's gotta be the heavy whipping cream. It's the difference maker. It's what makes that creamy sauce that makes Toddelini famous. Finish it up with any array of dried Italian herbs or pepper and salt. We have some kosher salt here. Give that a mix. Those sun-dried tomatoes are gonna break down with the heavy whipping cream, make a beautiful creamy tomato sauce.
Hey, you need some cheese?
Oh yeah, thank you, I do. Parmesan cheese, don't forget the Parmesan. A healthy amount of Parmesan cheese. I need some fresh basil. Where can I get some fresh basil? Everybody, look who it is. It's Jess Farron, our favorite pescatarian. Come on, you gotta go over there and watch it. Meatless Mondays, Jess Farron, right there, baby. Fresh basil toward the end. Last but not least, you need lemon juice. A little fresh lemon juice. Oh my goodness. The finishing touch. Gonna mix it up and plate it up. Creamy Tortellini here at the YouTube Creators Classic. The PGA Tour events going on this week. We've got Dude Perfect in the house. It is exciting. Time to eat some pasta. You can see the fans are starting to filter in. But thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you're watching all the shows on the Blackstone Network. And until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the Toddelini.